Hello my students, in this video we'll solve these equations. In the first equation, to solve it, we need to isolate the variable. So where is the variable here? It is m the variable. To isolate the variable, we need to get rid of any numbers beside m. What we have beside m? Numbers beside m? We have this mixed number. So as we can see, we have this mixed number, 2, 4 over 5. We need to get rid of this mixed number. How can we do that? For example, uh, if we have plus 3, so we can get rid of it by writing minus 3, because plus 3 minus 3 equals 0. Similarly, if we have minus 5, we can get rid of it by adding plus 5, because minus 5 plus 5 equals 0. Now, for the mixed number, for this mixed number, 2, 4 over 5. So 2, 4 over 5. We can eliminate it by subtracting 2, 4 over 5. Because 2, 4 over 5 minus 2, 4 over 5 equal 0. But remember, we need to subtract 2, 4 over 5 from both sides, from this side and also from this side, to keep the equation balanced. Okay? Here we have 7. Here we have 7, 1 over 9. So I write here 7, 7, 1 over 9. So subtract, so minus 2, 4 over 5. What we have here? We have equal, so we write here equal. Also, what we have here? We have 2, 4 over 5 plus m. Also, we write here minus 2, 4 over 5. So in both sides. Now, what we have here? We have mixed number. I prefer to solve mixed numbers by converting them into fraction. Let's convert the mixed numbers to fraction. So here we have this mixed number, 7, 1 over 9. How we can convert this to fraction? We multiply the denominator. Where the denominator here? The denominator. So multiply 9 by 7 equals 63, plus this number. What we have here? 1. So plus 1, 64. So we write here 64 over 9 minus. Also, convert this mixed number to fraction. So multiply 5 times 2 equal 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So we write here 14 over 5. So what we have here equal. So we write here equal. So also, what we have here? We have 2, 4 over 5 minus 2, 4 over 5. So we can subtract this and this by this. So 2, 4 over 5 minus 2, 4 over 5 equals 0. So we have here only m plus m. So we write here m, because 2, 4 over 5 minus 2, 4 over 5 0. So we have here only m. So we write here m. Now, how we can solve this? Here we have fraction minus fraction. To solve this, we need to make the denominator the same. The first denominator here, we have 9. And the second one is 5. To get a common denominator, multiply the first fraction, this fraction, by what we have here, by 5. So multiply in top and bottom. So multiply by 5 here and here. Also, we multiply the second fraction. This is the second fraction. Multiply this by 9 in top and bottom. So why by 9? Because here we have 9. So we write here multiply by 5 in top and bottom, the numerator and the denominator. So here multiply by 9, sorry. In this way, we will have the same denominator, because here we have 9 times 5. Also here we have 9 times 5. So we have the same denominator. and can subtract the fraction. So we get 64, 64 times 5. So 5 times 4, 20, 0 here and 2 here. 5 times 6, 30 plus 2, 32. So we get here 320 over 9 times 5, 45 minus 14 times 9, 36. So here 6 and here 3. 9 times 1, 9 plus 3, 12. So 126 over also 45 equal m. Now, here we have same denominator, so we can subtract the numerator. 320 minus 126, 320 minus 126. So 0 minus 6. So we take 1 from here, 10. 10 minus 6 equal 4. 1 minus 2 we can't. So we take 1 from 3. 3 it's gonna be 2. And here 11. 11 minus 2, 9. And 2 minus 1, 1. So we get here 194 over 45 equal m. Let's move to the second equation. We have 1 over 8 multiplied by y equal 4. To isolate the variable y, we need to get rid 1 over 8. How can we do that? Here we have 1 over 8 times multiply by y. So to get rid 1 over 8, we use that divide. Okay? So here we have 1 over 8 times y. To get rid 1 over 8, we use that divide by 1 over 8. But remember, we need to divide 1 over 8 from both sides, from this side and this side, to keep the equation balanced. So we need to write 1 over divide by 1 over 8 here in this side. Also, we need to write divide by 1 over 8 also here in this side. Here we have 1 over 8 multiplied by y. So we write here divide by 1 over 8. Here we have equal, so we write here equal. Equal what we have here? We have 4, so we write also here 4. But if we wrote here divide by 1 over 8, we must also write the same thing in another side, on another side here. So also here we write divide by 1 over 8. Now, what we have here, we have 1 over 8 y divided by 1 over 8. So here we can simplify 1 over 8 by 1 over 8. So here we get only 1 y. So we get only y. So we write here y equal, what we have here also, we have 4 divided by 1 over 8. So we can write 4 over 1. No problem. So here we have this fraction divide by fraction. If we have fraction divide by fraction, so we keep the first fraction 4 over 1 and divide, it's gonna be multiply and flip the second fraction. Flip this rule, okay? If you have fraction divide by fraction, keep the first fraction, divide, it's gonna be multiply and flip the second fraction. So this 8 over 1. So equal, now 4 times 8, 32. So 32, 1 times 1, 1. So 32 over 1, so equal 32. So y, here y equal what? Equal 32. Or we can write like this. So y equal, so 4 times 8 equal 32. Let's move to the third equation. We need to isolate the variable, where the variable a is the variable. To isolate the variable, we need to get rid of any numbers beside a. What we have beside a here? We have a plus 3 1 over 4. We can get rid of it by subtract 3 1 over 4 because 3 1 over 4 minus 3 1 over 4 equals 0. But don't forget, remember, we need to subtract 3, 1 over 4 from both sides, from this side and from this side, to keep the equation balanced. What we have here, a plus 3, 1 over 4. So we write here a plus 3, 1 over 4. But we subtract by 3, 1 over 4. Also, what we have here equal, so we write here equal. So equal 5, 2 over 9. As we wrote here minus 3, 1 over 4, we must also write the same thing on the other side here. So again, as we wrote here minus 3, 1 over 4, we must also write the same thing on the other side. So we must write here also minus 3, 1 over 4. So here minus 3, 1 over 4. So what we have here now, we have a plus 3, 1 over 4 minus 3, 1 over 4. So this equals 0. This equals 0. So we have only here a. So we write here 0. So a can only write a equal. Here what we have here, we have mixed number. Convert the mixed number to fraction. To convert the mixed number to fraction, multiply 9 by 5. So 9 times 5, 45, plus this number, what we have here too. So plus 2, 47. So we get 47 here over 9. Minus what we have here, this mixed number. To convert to fraction, multiply the denominator. What we have in the denominator 4. So multiply 4 by 3, 12, plus this number. What we have here 1. So plus 1, 12, plus 1, 13. So we write here 13 over 4. To solve this, we need to make the denominator same. The first denominator here we have 9, and the second one is 4. To get a common denominator, multiply the first fraction, this fraction, by 4, sorry, top and bottom, and also the second fraction, multiply the second fraction by 9, because here we have 9. So multiply this by 9, top and bottom. So we get here multiply by 4, also here multiply by 4. And what we have here 9, so multiply here 9 by 9. So multiply by 9, top and bottom, the numerator and the denominator. So what we have, we get a equal 47 multiply by 4. So 4 times 7, 28, 8 here and 20 here. 4 times 4, 16, plus 2, 18. So the answer 188 over 9 times 4, 36, minus, now 13 times 9, 9 times 3, 27, here 7 and here 2, 9 times 1, 9 plus 2, 11. So 117 over also 36. In this way, we will have the same denominator. So here we have the same denominator, 36, 36. And we can subtract the numerator, 188 minus 117, because we have same denominator. So 188 minus 117, 8, 1, here 7, so 71. So A equals 71 over 36. Or we can write this in mixed number, so equal 1, 36, 35. Why? Because 35 times 1, 36 times 1, 36, plus 35, 71. So we can write this fraction, convert this fraction to mixed number. Let's move to the fourth equation. We need to isolate the variable k. So to isolate the variable, we need to get rid of any number beside the variable. What we have here beside the variable? Minus 6, 3 over 8. We need to eliminate minus 6, 3 over 8. We can eliminate minus 6, 3 over 8 by adding 6, 3 over 8, because minus 6, 3 over 8 plus 6, 3 over 8 equal what? Equal 0. So when we have minus, we use a plus. Here we have k minus 6, 3 over 8. So we write here plus 6, 3 over 8. So what we have here? We have equal, so we write here equal what? Equal 4, 6 over 7. As we wrote here, plus 6, 3 over 8. So also write the same thing on the other side here, okay? So also we write here plus 6, 3 over 8. Now what we have here? We have k. Here we have minus 6, 3 over 8 plus 6, 3 over 8. So this equals 0. Only this equals 0. So here we have only k. So k equal. Now this mixed number, convert this mixed number to fraction. 7 times 4, 28. Plus 6, 34 over 7. Plus also here 8 times 6, 48. Plus 3, 51 over 8. So here we don't have same denominator. So to write common denominator, here we have 7. So multiply here 7 by and here 7. So multiply 7 and also here 7. And as we can see here we have 8. So multiply here by 8 and here by 8. What we get here? We get k equal. Now 34 times 8. 8 times 4. 32, so 2 here and 3 up. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So 272. 7 times 8, 56. Plus 51 times 7. So 7. 7 times 5, 35. So 357 over also 56. Because we have same denominator, here we have 56 and here we have 56, so we can add the numerator. So 272 plus 356, here 12, 2 here and 1 up, here 6. So the answer here k equal 629 over 56.